In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. We're going to record a salary payment as an expense, so it appears correctly in your books under salaries and wages. This walkthrough is perfect if you're not using an integrated payroll system and simply need to log a payment you've made to staff. Before you start, make sure you have access to Zoho Books and that your chart of accounts already includes an expense account for salaries and employee wages. Also, confirm that the payment account you plan to use, like petty cash or a bank account, exists in your Zoho Books setup. First, open Zoho Books and land on the home page. From the dashboard, look for the Purchases section in the left menu. This is where Zoho Books groups spending-related items. Click Purchases, then choose Expenses. That brings you to your list of expenses. To create a new entry, click the New button. You're now on a blank expense form. Start with the date. Click the date field and choose the date that represents when the salary was paid. Many businesses use the last day of the pay period or the actual payout date. Whichever convention your team follows, stick with it consistently so your reports line up across months and quarters. Next, set the expense account. Click the expense account drop-down and select Salaries and Employee Wages. This is critical. Posting to the right account ensures the amount shows under operating expenses as payroll cost, rather than accidentally inflating something like office supplies or contractor fees. If you don't see the account, your administrator may need to add it to the chart of accounts first, but in most standard setups, it's available by default. Now enter the amount. Click the amount field and type the total you've paid out for this salary entry. Decide whether you're recording the gross salary or the net take-home. Many small businesses choose to record the net amount paid to employees as the expense here and track payroll taxes and deductions separately. If you already account for those items elsewhere, enter the net. The key is consistency with the approach your accountant prefers. You'll see a checkbox for amount is tax exclusive. This tells Zoho Books whether to treat any tax as added on top of the amount you entered. For most regions, salaries are not subject to sales tax or VAT. If that's the case for you, tax won't apply, and the checkbox state won't change your total. We'll still visit the tax field in a moment to make that explicit. Choose how the salary was paid. Click the Paid Through field and pick the correct payment account. If you're paying from cash on hand, select Petty Cash. If your organization typically pays salaries from a bank account, you'd choose that account instead. In this example, we'll select Petty Cash to match a cash payout. Using the right payment account helps your cash and bank balances stay accurate. Now set the tax. Click the tax field and select the appropriate option. For most salary expenses, you'll choose a no tax option. If, based on your local rules, a specific tax applies, select the correct rate here. When in doubt, consult your accountant or your regional guidance so you don't overstate or understate liabilities. Take a quick moment to review everything on the form: the date, the expense account, the amount, the paid through account, and the tax selection. Accurate entries here save time during month-end reconciliation. When you're ready, click Save. Zoho Books will create the expense and take you to its details page. You'll see the expense categorized under salaries and employee wages, paid through the account you selected, with totals reflecting your amount and tax choice. If something looks off, you can come back and edit this expense, but if everything checks out, you're done. And that's it. You've successfully added a salary in Zoho Books as an expense. This simple workflow keeps your payroll costs tidy, your accounts accurate, and your reports clear for reviews and audits. Keep using the same process each pay cycle, and your books will stay consistent and easy to reconcile.